real estate investor looking out for a close-knit environment to key in your real estate investment or add more properties to your real estate portfolio? Are you looking for an Airbnb for your real estate portfolio? Are you looking for a short let or a home where you can always stay with your family, probably when you come into the country, or a place you can always stay during your vacation days here in Nigeria? Alright, permit me to introduce you to one amazing project sitting right here in Shangote, just by Monastery Road off the Lekki Expressway, adjacent the popular Novera Mall. I remember bringing your attention to this project 14 days ago, and guess what? Then there was some other features here. Some of the features you are seeing here today were not infused in this property, but right now you are seeing the gatehouse. You are seeing so many features that have come into this project. So give me some few minutes of your time to walk you through to take you on a side tour to this amazing project. The amazing things in this project I love so much. One of it is the attention to finishing. Yes, the attention to finishing is top notch. Secondly, the green areas. I told you initially that it's going to be focusing Terra Gardens. Of course, with the gardens on it, you are sure to receive a lot of greeneries in your living area. So come along with me. Let me take you on a side tour to this amazing project. Remember, I told you if you are looking out for an Airbnb, a short let, an apartment for rent, or a place to park in with your family, this is the right location for you. So come along with me, tag along with me. Let me take you on a side tour to this amazing project. What you've seen on this project is just a tip of the iceberg, because there are so many features that are also coming in place in this project. You have the swimming pool, you have the gym, you have a lot of green areas that will be coming into this project. Yes, and this property is we have right here just 30 units of both 3-bedroom terrace duplex and 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. The 3-bedroom is going for 70 million naira, and the 4-bedroom is going for 80 million naira. Now, here is the amazing thing about this project. The payment plan is very flexible. Yes, it's going for 70 million naira for the 3-bed and 80 for the 4-bed. But guess what? With just an initial deposit of 50%, you can spread the payment across 18 months. But that is not all. The last payment will be made at the collection of your keys, which means that at the point of collecting your keys, you can make your last payment. That is awesome. That is rare to find these days, but I gotcha. So all you need to do right now, give me a call on 091-3444-5696 to walk you through the investment into this amazing project. First and very best when it comes to real estate matters here in Lagos State and across the country. It's like, come your way next time. Keep investing in real estate, but don't forget to come here. First, you know you'll be getting yourself a juicy deal. I'm here for you for any real estate matters. Give me a call right now.